everyone, I'm Toppy. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well and I'm doing well too. Guys, after a long time I'm making video. So there is a reason behind it, and the reason is that I was sick. Because of my sickness, I couldn't make videos and I couldn't upload videos on my YouTube channel. But today I'm pretty well, and I thought that now it is almost evening time and I'm going to the riverside. So I thought that I should make videos. That's why I turned on my camera, and now I'm going to the riverside. Okay, for freshness, because in the afternoon or evening I like to spend some time alone uh, with nature, because it refresh myself. I feel better after passing few minutes in the nature. So that's why I'm going to the riverside. And now it is evening time, and guys, now it is rainy season is going on, but today's weather is pretty well, and the level of water is decreasing day by day. So now I am near to the river, but maybe I can't make video because some people are fishing and they are working there. So now I am return my home, because you know some people are working on the river and fishing also, so I don't want to go there. Because of them, I am going back my home. I will make video there, or I will make, I can't maybe, because now I'm making videos. So I will upload this video on my YouTube channel. So I really don't know what I am telling or talking right now actually, because I wanted make videos in the riverside, because you know this place is quiet and beautiful, but for some people I am not able to make video there. That's why I am going back my home. So today my luck is very bad, so I'm not able to make videos there. So now I'm almost near to my house, and after come to my house I will say something, then I will stop video here, because I thought that I will make video in the riverside, at the riverside, but I am unable, guys. I'm so sorry. I will make video there another day maybe. So wait for this day. And I told you that I couldn't make videos because of my sick or sickness. Guys, I had a cold, so I was sick for last 3 days, and now today I am totally okay and I feel better. That's why I have turned on the camera and recording myself, because I have to practice English, and I have to practice English every day and improve my English very fast. I want to improve I want to improve my English too fast, because I have a goal with this language. That's why I want to improve English very fast. So for this reason, I have to improve English, guys. For uh, for rainy season, in my background is too much what is called jungle, and also the mosquito, and now it is evening time. I can't hold my phone on my hand because of this. So I have to stop here. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, and keep practicing. Be patient and try again and again. You can speak English, and I will also improve. And I will also speak English very fast one day. This is my only one dream right now. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye.